We finish this exercises and we'll fine coming to the revision. So section shared study and six. Now the second half, complex data objects and data types. That is working with structural field strings. Then second half, internal tables. Okay. First one is append line to append sorted by. This was the last one. So we cut append only text tables. Seven is a list. This is completed. Structure example. Second is I tab, J tab, lines of. This is sorted by. Yes. This is initial size 2. This was the yesterday's last example. We'll try to finish the remaining quickly. So inserting lines with index based. Okay, inserting several lines from index to index. Okay, so this is the example program. Copy this. So this is the approach to copy the program and do the explore, perform the explore. This. This is your line and item. Now, do two times, then insert lines. In inserting initial line into a tab at index 1, that is blank line, inserting blank, just like append blank lines. So let us go into the debug mode for evaluation. So we'll execute from here, debugger, breakpoint. Go to desktop 3, just wait. iTab is empty as such, but iTab is created as a standard index table with column 1 and column 2 with integers. So this is obviously 2 times append line to iTab. So line is nothing but 1 and 1, 1. Okay, then 2 and 4. Yes, 1 and 1, 2 and 4. Correct. Till here we are clear. So now the column 1 value we are changing as 11, column 2. Okay. As of now, column 2 is 4, column 1 is 4, column 1 is 2, correct? But after this statement, column 1 becomes 11. correct? Column 2 becomes 22 because this is just like a single line, single row. Quickly both are getting changed, 22 and 11. Now insert line into iTab at the index. So the iTab is having this much. After insert initial line, so insert initial line, but initial line at the index. Insert line into item. Line means the index 1. So earlier, whatever the index 1 becomes, yes, this is becomes 11 and 2. Because index 1 level, it is inserted. Then go to insert initial line. This is which level? Insert 2. Sorry. Insert this. Sorry, we have to insert at index 2. Yes, that's exactly happening. Inserting initial line to index 1. Yes, inserting blank line. Blank line in the sense it is kind of integer initial value 0, column 1 initial value 0, column 2 initial value 0. This is the status. And finally, this loop repeat for 4 times. This is the result. Okay. So practical evaluation, right? So go to, okay, next level. Quickly, we'll try to finish. Yes, this is the result explanation. Then there is a one more program. This covers what? Insert line. Loop inside, we have insert line into item. What is the meaning of that? So let us see. Okay, if you want. So, so, so after that loop statement, loop at itab into line, inserting, loop at itab, finally printing. So let us go to up to this level. Yes. Keep the itab status. So line. So this is itab. So 2 times result. Yes, it is going to. Itab is created with 2 columns, 2 rows. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 4. Right. After that, we want to go to loop at itab into line. Yes, loop at itab into line. So the line status, line. Okay. So line column 1 column 2, 1. But here we are multiplying 3 into site abx. Site abx is 1. So 3 means column 1 value become 3. Then into 5. That is column 2 become 5, 3 and 5. Insert line into item. This is so now this is the site apex. Site apex is current insert line into item. This is a kind of standard index table only. Yes. Insert line. Inserting line 3 and 5. And if you try to print, normally 1, 2, 3, yes, 3 times. Okay. Because that loop gets repeated, so it is inserting again and again. Okay, first position and as well as third position, it will get inserted because, okay, this is the result of insertion, right? Just tab X explore here. Which tab X through? It will because this is standard index internal table, simple plain operation, which was already covered, right? If you look at here, because I'm just looking for any kind of new learning. Yes. So this is your line. Okay, column 1, column 2, end of line. And I tab and J tab. Correct. So do 3 times, end do. Yes. You are appending to I tab and J tab. Then after that, insert lines of, okay, insert lines of at index position. This is example of insert lines from one internal table to another internal table. So by this time, when we execute it, breakpoint, so you can check the I tab status is 3 records, J tab status is also 3 records. So I tab is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9. And the next J tab is 1, 2, 3, 1, 8, 27. Because multiply into 3. Yes. Now insert lines of I tab into J tab. So there is no from and to. But at index, yes. That is all the records are inserting, all the records of I tab is inserting at index 1. Index 1 position 1, 2, 3 is inserted. That's it. This is the normal, okay, known scenario, insert lines. Without from and to, it will insert all the entries of source to target. Target internal table, index position. These records are inserting. Go back. Next, reading by using index. So this is your field symbol, FS. So FS is also important, right? Column 1, column 2, save with integer. Then next, data I tab sorted table with the unique, then field symbol. Do 20 times. Do 20 times. Okay, append it. Check. Okay, I tab status 20 records because 20 times 20 records. Yes, append line to I tab. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 to 20, 1 to 20, and again 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, etc. Yes, squares. Squares result are into 2. Result is there. Now what we have to do is read table I tab. Generally we will go for into work area or assigning field symbol. So because working with field symbol is a two-step procedure. First, field symbol must be declared and it should be assigned. Step 1, declaration is done. Like line of item. That is, it is acting like a work area. Yes, it is created with referring to the one line of the item. So now the index 7th record we are reading into FS and FS through printing. So sub RC you can check, tab X you can check. Sub RC 0, tab X is 7. 7th index record is this one, 7 and 14. It's this information we are going to print. Okay, so here what is new learning? Field symbol. So field symbols are used for both simple elementary data object variable, structure or field string, and as well as internal tables also. Correct? Binary search addition example. Like here, read table into line binary search, just printing. Here, read table, there is no into addition. Just only checking the size sub RC. Checking the size sub RC. Okay. So, then begin offline, end offline. This is standard index internal table, do 4 times. Start will keep it. Yes, we will keep here. Yes. So go to internal table I tab. By this time it is writing 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Squares. Now sort I tab by column 2. So column 2 only gets sorted in a, yes, it is already ascending order 1496 ascending order. It is sorted because if you don't specify, it is default ascending. Because before using binary search, we have to do the sorting. Read table I tab with key column 2 equals to 16. So column 2 value 16 is there. Size about 0, tab X equals to 4. The size about is 0. That's it. Because we are not printing. Okay, just till here only. So how to use the binary searches? First sort. Sort rather than open sort. We will go with sort on particular field specific. That is your binary search. Okay, go to search. Search is a string operation. You can go for search I tab for. Okay, abbreviated starting at, ending at, etc. Right. Go to yes, this analysis. First, a begin offline, end offline. First column is index type I, second column is text 8 type C. Next, internal table is sorted with by using line with sorted with unique key index. This is the unique key index. Then we'll go to num2. Num2 is a normal variable outside type n, right? So here you will find field string, internal table, and variable. Do 10 times. Do 10 times. From here onwards, we will see. Then after that, search. Okay. ITAB must have compatibility with type Okay, this is a error, straightforward error. Okay, I have not checked it. It's first of all, it's num types n do 10 times. Error at itab string. Okay, search operation error. Remaining only this line got error. So okay, and mark. What is mark? Mm, okay. Item must have compatible with C and DT or string. So that is internal table is declared by yes integer and character. That's why it is giving error. Okay, if I convert it to this to C, then the error gets resolved. Yes, that's it. So this is the problem because when we go to integer, but we will see how it will reflect. Let me play it from here. So line and I tab. Num is a let 200 initial value. Line is created with index and text. Then go to I tab is created with index with the type C and even this also type C, right? So to perform string operations, declaration must be with type C. Okay. Yes. So if you go to here, do 10 times. First index value, then index value is 1 is assigned to line side index and even for num also. Num is outside. Num value we are assigning string, concatenating string with num value into line text, then append. Okay, so the result is string followed by 1 append insert table. So this is 1, this is string 01, string 02, string 03 like that. Because concatenate separated by nothing. So that's the reason you will get up to string 10. So we'll go to here. Here, this type of dump will vary the dump line. Appending itself, we are getting dump. Okay, this check it out. So in general, so move on to the next level. String about the set. This is the result expect. Use the table, just printing index and the text. So now modify with index. Yes. This is standard index interval. Items, loop. This is your integer, etc. So, two line. So this is your item. You have 149. Here it is modifying. Right? We modify without transporting addition, without index addition, without where. So that is here this modification is under condition. Only there are three entries. Only site tab x2. Tab x2 means second index record only get modified. Yes, this is the way you have to condition. So first, when it comes to first in tab x is 1, no condition falls out. Second time, yes, it is true. When it is true, column 1 multiplied by 10 and column 2 multiplied by 10 power 10 into 10 again. Yes, after that modify only second line only will get changed. Second line is 20 and 400. Correct? 20 into 20. The remaining third index, no impact, no changes at all because, right. So modifying this second row. So condition based modification by using if. Okay. So when we specify condition, this modify can be done modify line. Even you can write index by site tab x also we can write it so that it will reflect on particular two only, second index only. Yes. Next, this is your okay. So first name type C character 4. Then this is your begin of column 1, column 2. I tab. Do 4 times. Now modify column 2. Modify, yes, this. Let us see now one by one. Right. Let's go to here. Hmm. So okay, I tab is having 4 records. This is normal 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Now line 2, only line 2 equals to 16. 16 going to change it to 222. Yes, you want to change it. Index 2, transporting, transporting, modifying column 2. But the transporting of name. What is this name? Name equals to column 2 value we are changing as 222. So transporting followed by it. So it will reflect on 222 is going to reflect on this one. So because index 2, then 333 will get modified on okay directly index. So index and transport both examples. So this is your only new explore is here rather than directly specifying a transporting column name, just bracket rest and all same as it is. Okay. So now Yes, name, because name is already declared with the column 2. So that's why it will impact on column 2 only. Yes, this bracket name. So here, changing table lines using index. Data, first text, text 72 type C. Code is the internal table like a table of text. That is, code is holding one column that is has a text, just like a, okay. This is the first line appended to, this is second line, it is ugly. This is third and final line, append and nice. Okay, three times we are appending and printing. But what is the change here? We will see. First, so text code is a code is created by table line. Table line is the implicit default column heading with one column. So text append text to code. So code is having one line. This is first line. Okay. Right. Next, this is second line appending. This is again. So three lines we have. First line, second line, third line. What is this? Yeah. Right. Nice to code plus 31. Code plus 31. Right. Index 2. So write 2. Yes. So this is your code. Code is a internal table. Write 2. Index 2. Okay, index 2. Yes. This place 31 place onwards. That's just like offset. Earlier it was ugly replaced by nice. Okay, that's all about yes. This is write to. So the what is new here? Write to through modification. Code of plus 31 means 30 onwards. Uh, okay, yes. This part only gets replaced. Okay, that is your write to through modification. Yes, explanation is given here. Changed by the word ugly is replaced by nice. Okay. Deleting by using index is very simple and easy also. Correct. So check. Okay. Now, correct. Statement. We first need to copy this, comment it. Now check column 1, column 2, end of line. So internal table with sorted with the unique key. Do 5 times. Okay, this is also correct. So index append line to iTab. Yes, this is a new concept with colon comma. Right, it is in the delete internal table 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Write psi sub bar C is the error, right colon. What is the problem here? Give some space. Okay, colon psi hyphen sub bar C. Okay. Statement colon and psi hyphen sub bar C equals to. Yes, it should be end with. Yes, that's it. This was ended with back quote. Okay, this was only the error. Okay, now we will see delete. Delete with index. Okay, colon comma 2, 3, 4 deletion. So first, okay, the records of internal table. Internal table is having total 5 entries by this time. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to delete 2, 3, 4. So after that, we'll have index 2, 3, 4. Delete I tab. Yes. Index 2, 3, 4 deleted. Total records. This is 5 times. We are deleting. Okay. You can run this from this place. We will see here. We can go back. We will go back and run this once again. Do 5 times. See, first of all, we can do this way. One way is you can run this, restart the program. Okay, run it. Otherwise, there is a go to statement through. You can go back and rerun the program from your required place onwards. Yes, because let us see what is the impact of that. First, we will try to do this from do onwards. Okay, let's run it. So first I tab is declared by sorted. It is 0 as such, column 1, column 2. So first append line. Yes, so obviously you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times, correct? So now deleting internal table, okay, because there is no work area involvement. Directly delete internal table, yes. So as of now, you have how many entries? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to delete index 2, 3, 4. So if that is the case, index 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 5 should remain. Yes, this is index, sorted index with the sorted index with unique key column 1. Yes, we have to go to unique key column 1. So column 1, what is column 1? Is column 1 unique. Yes, it is there. Unique values, no duplicates. So it's going to delete only 2 records. It is actually, it is deleting 2 records only. Okay, 1, 3, 5. Okay, go back to the size sub RC is 4th, okay, 4, and the loop is printing all 1, 2, 3 records. So here it is, okay, sub RC 4. We will go to, yes, explanation here. This example have 5 lines, then it deletes the 3 lines from index 2, 3, 4. After deleting the line index 2, the index of the following lines incremented by 1. Yes, okay. Incremented by 1. The index of the following lines is incremented. Therefore, the next deletion removes the line which was initially was 4. The third deletion operation fails. Okay. Since the table now only has 3 lines. Okay. Oh, fine. Fine. No problem. So, got it. Because actually, this is now I understood. Actually, it should be written this way. Because first step is how do we understand this? When they write colon, first it will try to delete the second record. Second record deletion, so that 5 minus 1, it will remain 4. Then one more index record, that is, so 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 records only available when there is no point of deleting the fourth index. That is the impact. So that this deletion gets failed. That's the reason it is holding the 3 records. So we never use this type of colon comma. This leads to confusion. Rather than that, we'll write delete itab index 2, index 3, index 4 and all independently. So this is your small observation. Okay. And comma change statement through deletion. So go back to the this one. Delete item. Okay, go back to this column 1, column 2, the internal table, standard index 30 times. Activate. So go to execute 30 times. 30 times result. A tab is declared with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 30. Yes. 30 into 30. Square spring. Right. Now delete item where line 1, where line of column 1. So column 1 is less than, yes, this is first. So what is this? It is automatically, it is 30 lines, 1, 2, 3. We want to delete 28 less than 28. So all the record, that is 29, yes, 10, oh, fine. The deleting under 28, 29, 30 units. Printing period. That is a small observation. Condition based deletion. Right here, because only delete a tab. So this is what new observation. Here it is. There is no index addition here, no where condition. Only delete internal tab. But that is under condition. If condition. Okay. So that is it will work for that particular 3 lines only. Okay. This is that is as long as condition is true. This is implicit is index site abx. Okay, site abx is incrementing automatically. Accordingly, it will delete. Okay, standard index internal table operation. Right. Go to next. Go back to these three lines. But delete from to where condition. That's only the observation here. So go to column 1, column 2. Yes. Do 40 times. Okay. Do 40 times. Yes, as it is, we will see here. After that, yes, this is the result of I tab. After this 40 times squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 40 now. 40 into 40, yes, 160, 1600. Now column 2, delete from 3 to 38 where condition. So this covers from 3 to 38 only it will delete, and again this condition, both index based, condition based. Yes, the result is this. Okay, we can go and verify. Yes, this will be the result. Okay, those records only gets deleted. So because I demonstrated as only from to or only where, but here it is both combined. This is a new explore. Okay, right. Go to, yes, this is your loop statement. Normal do 30 times, yes. But loop at where? That is loop at where? Okay. Sorted index internal table with a table line, unique key table line. Do 30 times. So this is do 30 times. So you execute. Internal table is holding. Yes. 30. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next. So from 10 to 25, where? So this is your printing from to and where at a time. Only 10 to 25 records only, that too inside greater than 400. Yes. So again, I introduced only if index are where, but here it is. Even you can do combining also. Both index also, where class, where condition also. Both. That is new learning here. Correct. Then next. Okay, field symbols. Right. Next, data. Begin of line, end of line. Right. Once you are ready with this, all this knowledge, tomorrow, at least if you expose these things, you can execute it. Okay, you will get ideas at that time. Yes. Or if somebody written the code you are analyzing, yes, you will. This is your field symbol example. So line 1, column 1, right? First internal table sorted with unique column 1 field symbol. That is field symbol through you are declaring one work area kind of like line of I tab. Correct? Yes. Do 4 times. Yes, as it is. Now we will see. Okay, directly we'll keep breakpoint at the read table level. Right. So I tab status, double click. I tab is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. Right. So let us see first. Read table I tab in general with the key with the table key. This is your sorted with the table key is column 1. So column 1 equals to 3. Column 1 3. That is, this is the 3. So this 3 and 9, it comes to FS, right? FS column 2 equals to, yes, first read statement. So if you look at FS status, observe it, field symbol. Field symbol is holding, yes, that particular 2 and 4, because column 2 result. But again, FS field symbol value we are changing to 100. Column 2 value is changing 4 to 100 now, right? Now if you go to the column 3, reading column 3, iTab is having column 3 and 9. We are reading, we are changing again. Index 3, reading and deleting index 3. Okay, delete index 3 means it is back to 3. Yes. Okay, so internal table is holding 1 to 4, correct? Now FS is assigned. Field symbol is assigned, is assigned. But here it is showing as not assigned, because you can see it is, yes, it is there is assigning, after that deleting that index 3. So that is, so the field symbol is also, this is assigned is getting failed. As it is 3 records, it get reflected. So what is the meaning of that is the change happened on that particular FS. Okay, the deletion is getting affected on the particular line and the field symbol also. Yes. Okay. Field symbol is pointing to that particular column 3. So column 3 changes is reflecting on field symbol also, right? Otherwise, it is assigning is assigned should be true. But since this, if you delete, if you comment it, then assigned become true. That's what the observation. Okay, you can go either way around. You take the control and do the changes. Right. This is about your overall, the difference between syntaxes of without header line and with header line. Okay. So without header line, everywhere work area, insert through, collect also, read, modify, delete. Yes. Index table also, append work area, insert work area, modify internal table from work area. Here, there is no work area. Even that into addition is missing here, everywhere. Into to from. The reason is, in case of old syntaxes, this is not required, because uh, header line and body names same. So this is another example, hashed example you want to cover. Yes. See, because why I'm going to repeatedly, it may be bore for you. Yes, but I'm doing in front of you. The reason is you are familiar with the debugger, you are familiar with standard SAP approaches. You no need to hesitate at any point of time. You can refer to SAP programs. This is the way to explore. Indirectly, I'm giving hint to that how to explore. Right. So now header line based example, old syntax. iTab. This is line. Yes. Unique key with header line. So header gets created and iTab gets created. As it is read table, modify table. Yes. This is a kind of internal table with header operations. So you can go and check iTab and line. So line is okay. Yes. Line is okay. Here it is go to item. Here it is. This is your table, right? If you go to header, you will get the item. Item is declared with a table of line. Yes, this is a types, right? Types means data type. Sorry, I forgot. Actually, I thought of it as a data. So line you cannot evaluate because this is a data type. So this type of examples we have already seen. Read, modify, delete, and all. Right? Easily you will understand it because particular column two and all. So this is only they want to tell you how it happens in case of with header line. Okay, my insert, read, modify, delete operations. Okay, without into class. Right. Without header line, same thing you can do it. Okay, by using from work area. That's it. So almost that's all about your overall operation. So if you want to check, you can check this also. There it's the story because same program. This is your yes. This is read table itab from itab. From itab is optional. Here it is delete table itab. Okay. So if you go to this example without headerline example, you can check last one. This type of things we have done many. So by looking at the code itself, you have to catch it quickly because see types begin of line, end of line. That is, this is a kind of line type for a hash table. Yes, here we are declaring both itab separate, work area separate. Okay, do 4 times insert work area into table because this is hashed. Hashed always uses unique key call one. Hashed does not support index based operation. That's why this insert through we are inserting. Then after that, change the column and read statement. Then work area column to modify it. Work area column and delete it. So all these operations you can try out. So one read before change. See here, how do you explore it? Yes. So first iTab is holding 4 records, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. Yes, first column 2. Column 1 is having 4. We are changing to 2. So that is indirectly we are reading, okay, read table iTab into work area, iTab from work area. From work area is column 2. So if you double click on that work area content, yes, you can see this is the status. Second index is 2 and 4. Yes, this record you are reading. Correct? So this is the status. Okay. From WA. Work area, yes, column 2 is this is indirectly index based reading. Modify. Column 2 value we are changing to 100. So it is yes, like column 2 value 100 is there. 100 we modified it to 100. We are changing to 100. That is read index 2. That's why the modification will reflect on index 2 only. This is the implicit observation. And again, same index, there column 4 we are deleting That is, we are changing, yes, again, the index 2 only deletion. Index 2 only deletion. Okay, here deleting column 1 equals to 4. Okay, this one we are deleting, column 4 value. So fine, no problem. Right, this is your overall operation sum, complete internal table form. Done. So with this, we have done the revision of this. So you can try out with string operations also in the same way. Okay, string operations. Standard SAP examples, because we did not try that. We'll see it all those things later. Because SAP examples through, you will come to know lot of new learning happens. Even at your free time, each example you open it, explore it, as well as read the documentation. Okay, so we'll move on to the next session.